Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all.
Okay, my little rice, I took all my fall decorations down. I was so sick of fall, seemed like they were up forever. And I'm not gonna overdo it for Christmas this year. Got my gingerbread stuff and moved the furniture around in this front living room. The Christmas tree up. Changed the little curtains to match the Christmas tree decor. Put those tables that were over there and those. And I put the little books on my table. And I have another candle that I'm going to put on there too. So that's that. But I'm ready to decorate the tree, you guys, with the stuff you guys saw me get from Burlington's. And I'm going to put this back on the thing over there where it was. And I have a blanket to bring down here too. And this is my little thing. I'll put more candles up here and a few more decorations. Remember I said this was going to go on this counter, and that's what it is. So yeah, trying to get it together. Come on.
All them kids know act.
So let's put it up. Where you want to put it at? Right there? You want it right there? Okay. Let's put it right there. Let's get it more. Look it! Whoa, Mama did it! Yay! Good job!
Yeah. I say you did that. Oh. A little smile when I say that. Yeah, did that.
Okay, the bag is gone. Put this back in there. You got a little vacuum here for this in there?
Hello. Hello.
Whoa, look at Mama!
They just plugged in the Christmas tree.
Look it! I have to set that. Look it! Look it!
This shit, mine now.
Okay, this is what it looked like. Kind of sort of the final look, because I might find some more stuff that I would have put over here, but I'm really thinking about just keeping it simple. Keeping it in this right here. Let me turn a lot of stuff. I gotta get batteries for that one little candle. Said I'm gonna keep it real minimal this Christmas. And I think it's cute. I got blankets that I'm gonna come and put on the sofas. And then I'm making some bows with this velvet, what is this? Velvet ribbon for my cabinets. And that'll be it, you guys. I want to get some curtains for this window, but I know that dishwater and all that should be in there, so I don't want to do that. And this is just what I got for cooking tomorrow. Making some spaghetti, some fish. And look, we got this thing right here. I swear. I'll clean my table up in a minute. But yeah, that's it so far. I'll come back later on the night when I straighten up. But for now, oh, and I got my gingerbread towels. Because that was the thing until everybody stole and took the gingerbread. The gingerbread things. But I'm really liking the look of that. Really liking it. Y'all see the wooden beads on there? I love those. Okay, remember I said I was going to add a few more touches? I did. I took that rug from up underneath the tree because I didn't like it there. I added pillows and a throw on this sofa. And yeah, this is the final look. I still haven't put the bows on the cabinet yet. I think I'm going to do that on Saturday because my grandson wanted to help do that.